Hello viewers, today I introduce the Twill pant. The brand is Next Supply. The next level is the original product from Bangladesh. It is a stock product. So I will show you some trick how to identify original Next Supply product. Authentic design. You see here is the main level. This is the fitting. This is the slim, and here is the button, main button, and here is the another button, zipper button, and this is the pocketing style, the cross pocket. You see, the stock product from Bangladesh. If anyone interested this product, this stock product, please contact us. I will give you my contact details, and here is the QC pass, the A grade product from Bangladesh. This is a back pocket style. Here is the product. So guys, anyone need any Twill pant branded, please contact us. We have a lot of product from Bangladesh, the stock product, and keep watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.